Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to actually change your iPhone keyboard background in 2021 into works on any iPhone model. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So the first thing you obviously want to go do is go on the App Store, download the free app, Microsoft SwiftKey. I just typed in SwiftKey, here it is. When you download it, click on open, get started, not now, allow notifications, not now, do you agree, of course, SwiftKey, take me there, and now you want to click on keyboards, you want to click on SwiftKey, allow full access, allow, then go back to the SwiftKey app, now it's gonna load, tap and hold the globe key below, here it is, and you want to switch on SwiftKey right here, and installation successful. Now you can click on themes and you can select any theme. You can even have your background image from a picture that you have. Design your theme. You can use your camera roll to create one. So yeah, it's very simple to do. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.